Well, hi there. I wanted to shoot this quick little video just to thank you, number one, for entrusting Kleem Law and myself with your case. I know that this might be a stressful time, might be a difficult time for you. I want you to know I'm here for you. I'm honored to be working with you to assist you in getting through whatever it is you're going through. I wanted to give you a few ideas of the best way to reach out to me, the best way to communicate with me, what to expect over the next few days, and also kind of some other information about links and other information that I need and things we need to do. So, first of all, it's my goal once you hire me to get started on your case within a reasonable period of time. Sometimes that's within a day, sometimes it's within 2 or 3 days if I've got a lot of documents to prepare. So by the time you're getting this video, I hope you've heard back from me. And we already have communicated about what the plan is, and maybe you already got the documents or whatnot. But if not, if you haven't heard back from me, you've maybe paid the retainer online and have not heard back from me, give me a call. Reach out to us and say, hey, make sure nothing's fallen through the cracks, because I want to be responsive to your needs. I know it's important to you. So that's first thing. Secondly, once we get started, or now that we are started, I want to go over the best way to communicate with me. I will tell you that reaching out by phone is fine, but sometimes it's not effective. I'm not always available by phone. I'm in court a lot. I'm in mediations. I'm with other clients. So sometimes reaching me by phone is not the best way. If you do call in, I'm not here. My assistants will sometimes try to set up a time for me to call you back. That's just so we're not playing phone tag back and forth. I'm not trying to be cagey or anything. Also, leave as much information. When you call, don't just say, well, I just want to talk to Curtis. Leave as much information as you can so that when I'm able to call you back, if you're asking a specific question, I can get the answer before I call you back. It's just a more efficient use of our time. But there are better ways to communicate often. I have a program called My Case. It has an online client portal, and you can communicate with me directly there through a secure platform. It's just like texting back and forth, and it keeps a real good history of our messages so that we can go back and review what we've said to one another. We can also share documents that way, things like that. You'll also see your court dates populate there, things like that. You can also send me text. The 2770606 number is the number you can use to text me, and I can text you back at that number. You might receive some automated texts from other numbers, but those numbers we can't really text back and forth on. So if you do want to text me and want a response, those kinds of things, it's better to use the 2770606 number. And then, of course, emails. You'll receive some automated emails from me. Those will have generic information. I'm going to try never to send you specific information in your case by email. Emails are just not very secure. That's what My Case and texting are for. Okay. But you might get email. If you've got a document you want to send me and you can't figure out how to upload it on My Case, just send it to me by email. I'll get it. It's fine. I also want to go over some of the other documents we may need in your case. If you have a contested case that involves child custody, child support, legitimation, divorce, I'm going to need a filled financial affidavit from you. The email you receive should have a link to that, and there will be another video that I will do that will explain what I need you to do on that form, and then get it back to me so that we can prepare that affidavit for you correctly. The other thing is that in any divorce case or legitimation case where you haven't already been to a divorcing parent seminar or what's called a co-parenting class, we're going to need you to do that. Now, normally they offer those in person, but right now during COVID, they're doing those online. And so the email you had received probably has a link to an online class. I think it's $25. It's a 4-hour class. That class you can take. You'll get a certificate when you're done. Get that certificate to me. I'll file it in your case, and that won't hold us up when the time comes. Okay, so those are kind of the things we need moving forward. I want you to know I am honored to represent you. I know this can be a stressful time. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to make it less stressful, and we'll do everything we can to move your case to a proper resolution. Thanks a lot.